The Havells Hi-Flow is a powerful 1.0 horsepower monoblock water pump perfect for home and garden use. It features a durable metal body and a 1.0 horsepower motor enabling fast and efficient water flow. Watch it pump over 50 liters of water per minute thanks to the high-pressure design. Rubber padding reduces vibration for smooth and stable operation. It also includes safety approvals for trusted performance. Bring reliable, efficient water flow to your home with the Havells Hi-Flow, backed by a 2-year warranty.